The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for eastern Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, southwestern Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, west central Wilson County in Middle Tennessee until 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Belmead, or near Nashville, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Nashville around 7:40 p.m. Central Standard Time, Madison around 7:50 p.m. Central Standard Time, Lakewood, Hermitage, and Old Hickory around 7:55 p.m. Central Standard Time, Mount Juliet, Myrtle Hill, and Belinda City around 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Percy Priest Lake and Berry Hill. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.